God, look at all that water. Whoa. Wow, God, freaking Lee, man.
Yeah, move by the van, finna pump over the hill. I didn't know the river was that big.
Me neither. It looks like the Little Rock River, actually. Arkansas River, I mean.
I didn't think it was actually underwater. That's bullshit. And I come around here, I said, oh my God.
Real. Man.
Hey, they got river property now.
Yeah, they got river property for real. I wonder if they're... Wow! Look at the river. Golly. Sorry.
I'll get y'all up there.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. It is all gone.
Stick it out the window.
Oh, man. Oh, dang. My camera won't go that far. Shoot. I gotta get out someplace and look at this.
You want it?
I gotta get out someplace and look at this. Golly. Oh, yeah, definitely gotta get out. Oh, my good Lord.
Dozer ain't underwater, but it's close.
Oh, wow. How did truck get through that?
I'll let you out just a second.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Golly. Sweet. Oh, man. Real. Look at all that freaking water. Nothing left. Nothing. That whole field is gone. Whoa. Never seen it like this before. Man. This is a spot where we turn into the river. God, no way is anybody going over that road. No way. Dang. Look at that. That is amazing. It has turned into the Arkansas River out of here. Golly. Dang. Look at that mess. Grisby Ford access. This is just before you get on the bridge, coming from the Acme Brick. And there's the other side, way over there. Look at all that. It's a lake. Man. Look at all this mess. amazing. There's a bulldozer up there. Funny. I'll run in the back of the truck real quick. I'll run. No, I mean, yeah. Ugh. Look at all that water. There's the sign right there, buddy. Look at all that. Unbelievable. All that is gone. Man, I've never seen anything like this before. That is so awesome. God, freaking believe it. Oh, get in on this side. Okay, I'm back.
Yeah.
Good.
Only two people are, well, three. Tyler learned to drive in this one. I won't boy my car.
All gone. That's amazing.
I do like the way they got river property now.
For real, they got river property.
They sell it right now, it go for high.
Oh yeah. How much y'all want for all this water?
Why? That's why I'd like to bought this house up here. You still think them?
Oh, no, I'm just video recording, sorry.
This house, when it come up for sale, I know I couldn't afford it. But you can sit in the house and look out right now and be pretty.
Yeah. That riverfront property, that's so funny.
Get a boat right there.